Most people don't have a money problem. They have a visibility problem. You can't control what you can't see. Your salary each month. Every month your salary arrives and sits in one account, mixing rent, food, savings, fun, and debt together. Small spending decisions add up, leaving you stressed and confused. Hidden spending gap. You probably think you know where your money goes, but could you tell exactly how much was spent on food last month? Most can't. This hidden gap causes stress. Assign every portion of your income a job before spending. Divide your salary immediately upon arrival. 1. 50 to 60% for essentials. Rent, groceries, and other necessities make up the majority of your budget. 2. 10 to 20% for savings. Set aside funds for the future to build financial security and peace of mind. Organize your money. Use separate accounts, envelopes, or a spreadsheet to organize your money by purpose. The tool doesn't matter. Stop mixing everything together. Separate money by purpose. Separating your money removes surprises and guilt, giving your finances a clear, stress-free plan. Start today. Gain clarity, control, and peace with your finances.